Bernard, and today I'm going to show you how to make a chicken and sausage gumbo that is so easy a fourth grader can do it. This is in partial fulfillment of the requirements of N5309, Teaching and Learning Strategies and Evaluation, Dr. Wendy J. Barr, PhD, RN, CNE. This is my kitchen, and I'm going to tell you about the objectives. The learner will be able to list the 4 major ingredients of a chicken and sausage gumbo, and using the handout that's on the discussion board, the learner will be able to verbalize the steps necessary to prepare a chicken and sausage gumbo. And finally, the learner will be able to identify classic side dishes. So, let's get started. I have some water boiling in a gumbo pot. That's 8 quarts of water. And my ingredients are over here. I have chicken and sausage, which I've browned the sausage, and I actually made it a little bit easier by using a rotisserie chicken from a grocery store that I just deboned, because we're all about saving time. I know in graduate school and working is kind of hard. And then we have 2 cups of bell pepper, onion, and celery mix that can be bought at Walmart also. You just add that in. And then you add a teaspoon of garlic. And this is just minced garlic. Another important ingredient is called cha-cha, but in Texas it's called Tabasco peppers. And I've only seen it at Fiesta Food Mart, and you put about a tablespoon of cha-cha in there, and it just gives it really good flavor. The smoked sausage sometimes can be a little bit hard to find, and so but just make sure it's seasoned and smoked. So you're gonna season your chicken and sausage with Tony Chachere's Cajun seasoning and brown the sausage in a skillet coated with oil. Now you have your gumbo pot on medium heat. Add water, chicken and sausage, onions, bell pepper, celery, garlic mix. Now we're going to add the roux, 1.5 cups of dark roux. And this brand is Ragin' Cajun roux. I don't recommend you making your own roux until you get really comfortable. And this is 1.5 cups. I bought it at Fiesta for like $2.99. And you just put that in there. And you stir until it gets foamy. Now you want to cook this for about 3 hours. And if it's a whole chicken or chicken cut up, you want the meat to be off the bone. You season to taste with Tony Chachere's original Creole seasonings and Louisiana hot sauce. Classic side dishes that go with gumbo, of course, French bread, and potato salad makes a really good side dish because it's tangy and cold, and then the gumbo is hot and spicy, and it's a really good contrast. So once it's cooked for 3 hours, you need to skim the grease off. I know it's a big pot, but this can be frozen in quarts, and every time you're hungry, you can just take some out and make some rice. There's also a low-cal option, is to use the dry roux, because it doesn't contain any oil. Do you have any questions?
I think you've been very informative, and it looks delicious. I can't wait to try it out.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this, and thank you very much for your attention today.